Welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to analyze some sentences and spot the errors and rewrite the sentence correctly. That's the work we have to do here through the sentences. So, first sentence, what is that? Though he is ill, but he attends the class. That's the first sentence. Here, the first part is correct. Though, even though, although. Three of the conjunctions are used to express contrast. Though he is ill, even though he is ill, although he is ill, everything is correct. But the second part, look at that. But he attends the class. Here there is no need to add the but. We have to delete it. We have to remove it. Then the sentence will be correct. Though he is ill, he attends the class. Even though he is ill, he attends the class. That's the correct sentence. So remove the but. But also used to express contrast. The principal with all the teachers are present. Here, the real subject is what? The principal. The principal means one person. So that only consider and put the verb like that. So verb also should be in singular. Here are is not correct. We have to use is. The principal with all the teachers is present. That's the correct sentence here. What is the reason? Because the principal only we are considering subject according to subject verb agreement. If the subject is singular, you have to use singular verb only. So change the are into is. If they had contacted me, I would help them. This is third conditional sentence. Conditional sentences. If clause, if you look the if clause, you can identify which condition is it. It's third condition. If they had contacted me, had plus V3. At that time, the main clause, in main clause we have to use would have plus V3. So what is the answer? If they had contacted me, I would have helped them. I would have helped them. That is the correct answer. If they had contacted me, I would have helped them. Because if clause is had plus V3, had plus contacted. Contacted means verb in V3 form, past participle form. Each of the students has participated in the competition. Here also some mistakes, some errors are there. Each one of the students, that's the correct subject phrase. Each of the students is mistake. Each one of the students. So add one and also make the student into plural, students. Each one of the students has participated in the competition. That's the correct sentence here. No one know the answer. Here, no one is singular only. So we have to change the verb into knows. No one knows the answer. No one knows the answer. That is the correct sentence here. So this is the way to find answers. The first one, always in many exams it will come. Though, even though, although, like that. At that time, if in that sentence but is there, remove that but. We can make this sentence like he is ill, but he attends the class, like that. At that time, this is correct. He is ill, but he attends the class. At that time, we avoid the though. Here, the sentence is starting with he. He is ill, but he attends the class. But if the sentence starts with though, even though, although, like that, remove the but from that sentence. No necessary to add both of them, because even though, although, three of them express contrast, contradiction, like that but also. So There is no necessary to add though and but in a sentence. He is ill, but he attends the class. That is correct. Otherwise, though he is ill, he attends the class. That is also correct. And also another thing to remember is though, although, even though. These three conjunctions can start a sentence. We can use it as a starting word in a sentence. But is not used like that. We cannot see a sentence starting with but. But we can use in the middle of the sentence like that only. That point also you should remember.